Good morning, student. So today is the third lecture of your computer. So in previous class, I taught to you the basic of computer input output devices, the uh, input output devices about the computers and many more things, the characteristic of computers. So I hope that each and every topics are cleared from the previous lecture. So today I will start the application of computer. That means in which areas we can use the computer. So first one I will tell you. So in these days are the digital time. So each and every field we use the computers. Basically, our whole life are dependent on the computer. So if I go to uh, go from one place to another place, then definitely we use computers for getting the information about the traveling information, about the railway reservation, railway timing information. So each and every field we use. Suppose we want to know some information about this corona. This time a one virus is affecting to our world, that is corona. So if I want information about the corona, then we also get from it from the internet, from the computer. So in your book some applications are basically some applications are mentioned over here. So I will clear each and every applications. So what is written over here? First thing, computers nowadays widely used in variety of fields because of their advantage. Right? This is real thing advantage. It is having a lot of advantage: accuracy, speed, high speed, diligence, versatility. So like quick processing and ability to process different types of data with an is easy way. Some of the major areas of computer application listed below. So let me explain one by one. First one is business, how it will help in our business. So this is one of the most significant areas where the computer are in use since their invention. These are used by all types of organization for maintaining their accounts, sales, figures, productions, details, etc. So I'm explaining it. Basically, computer are used by in the organization by the employer and by the employee, both. Employee use the computer for maintaining their employees data, their salary. They calculate the salaries, monthly salary, gross salary, net salary. They hold the data of the employee, about their names, their mobile number, their Aadhaar card number. And employee use the computer for holding their information, like when they sell the product, then which product is sold by which particular employee. And they can do their accounts thing by the computer also. So production, how much production has been done by the company, this is done by the company, this is done by the employee also. So these type of things uh, the computer will help. So the next one is research purpose. So NASA, if I talk about the NASA, then this is the research organization. It uses the computer, and DRDO also uses the computer. Without the computer, the research program cannot be as smoothly can run as it is run with the computer. So because computer can do our work in a very fastly and accuracy, it can solve our complex problem in a very easy way. So that's the reason the computer are used in the research field. So what is written in your book? Computer are used by the scientists in various research center and laboratories. Right. This is the one thing. It also used in laboratories, so where they help to perform complex calculation and data analysis with precision and accuracy. Accuracy is playing an important role because the human cannot give the 100% accuracy. So but computer is having ability to give you the result with 100% accuracy. So education, next one is education. What are how the this computer will help you in education. So nowadays you can, as I am teaching you, this is the online class, and there can be the virtual class. Virtual class means one teacher is teaching to you on the whiteboard, and directly you just see the videos. That you will be live. So these are many schools, from many home. The students can be live, and they can see the classes. They can watch the classes. They can take the help from the teacher live. So these are the virtual classes. So you can study virtually from your home without coming to the schools. So this also help in educations, and you can get many things, many your the topic related things from the internet. You can search any topics. If you are stuck in any single word or any topics, then you can search, and easily you will get from the internet. So in this way the computer will help the student. So by this thing it is clear that computers play a very important role in the education. Next one is communication. So how it helps in communication. Communication, how it will help, uh, nowadays, in which way you communicate. You communicate, I think 1% people, 2% people are in the India, they do communication by the letter, by the post office. So right now they, most of the Indian are using the telephones, they are using the chatting softwares, they are using emails, they are using WhatsApp for communication. So in this way we can say that communication, computer is playing a very important role in communication also. So what is written development and popularization of internet have caused revolution in the field of the communication. Now the mails can be sent electronically to the receiver in in a very short time. You can send and receive the answers. In this way this is helpful in the communication. Next one is defense. So basically the defense department keep their their information in the encrypted form. And what is the encrypted form? That means the secure form. Suppose if they keep their data in files, in registers, so if anyone will found that register, then they can know the capability of any defense, any country defense department. But they keep their data in computer in the encrypted form. Suppose it is stolen by it is stolen by someone, but because it is encrypted, so it the information will not be get by the that person who stole it. Let me explain once again. uh, Suppose I keep one information in my computer, and this is the information like my name, and I want to give it to someone, but this name is totally encrypted. Encrypted means uh, P is just we have like it is written like a hash dollar, R is written like a L, or it is written like a star. So these are called encrypted form. Encrypted means only the user whose data is this, who that person know how what is the meaning of this encrypted data. So that's the reason your data will be secure. So defense department in the computer will play a very important role to keep the data of the defense department. Next one is medicine and healthcare. So you people know that right now many doctors of this in India gives online support to you. So suppose the at particular time they become online, and you just you just submit the fees and tell your problem. He will give online solution to you online. He can check your medical reports online, and write and tell you the name of the medicine. So this computer will help you in the medicine department also. And for many, this what is written, medical science is also revolutionized with the development computer technology, is that microchip based equipments help the doctors to timely diagnose the various complicated diseases, right? It's right, that the two with more accuracy. So we already explained you ki that means it play an important role in the health department also. Next one, entertainment. I think it's not if people know very much that it help in entertainment, to watch the movie, to watch the song, to listen the song, to play the games, and many play the games, and many field you use the computer for your internet purpose. Most of the students I have seen, they play the chess on the computer, they play guitar on the computer. So this computer play important role in the internet field also. So next one is computer aided manufacturing, CAM, computer aided manufacturing. So what it is, basically a complicated problem is solved by the robotics. So robotics is also a computer which solves our problem physically. So pro- uh, the work which is very complicated for the human, this is done by the robotics. And also robotics are used for automation. So we can say that this is used in computer aided manufacturing also. Simulation simulation, that means the pilot uses for the computer for at training time, and the doctors use artificial virtual reality. They are doing at the training time, where doctors are also using the computer for virtual reality, and the pilot are also using in the training time to the computer. So at home, you know that at home you use to see the TV, to send the emails, for chatting, for web browsing, for listening. So in these fields, the computer are used. So today, this is the end of the session. So I I completely explain the application of computer each and every topics. And I think this is uh, definitely this is the end of the today's session, and also the end of this chapter also, end of your first chapter. So after this video, when I when I send this video in the group, then after that I will give you the homework for this chapter. So you people must be uh, you student will do the homework in your homework copy. So I hope that you will stay home, because the very dangerous virus is in the world, that is having increasing the problem for each and every word. So each and every word, uh, I'm sorry, each and every country. So please stay home, stay safe, and defeat COVID-19. Thank you very much for seeing this video.